Hi guys, welcome to Lazy Life Hack. So today we're going to create music using Suno AI. Yes, you heard me right, we're going to create music. So usually to create music, we need to know lots of things that is related to music. But thanks to AI, we don't need to know those anymore and you can create your music in just a few minutes. So open your browser and type suno.ai. So this is how it will look like. To create music, we click create and it will ask you to sign up, choose Google and choose one of your Google account. So once you're logged in, you can start create music. Here at the song description, you type about what kind of song you like to create. So here I'll type one lazy guy in the office trying to work smart. If you turn on the instrumental, it will come out only instrument, no vocal. So we will keep this off. Here we will also keep in version 3 and we hit create. You can see that our song is already buffing. The name of the song is called Lazy Day and the genre is called Chill Laid Back Acoustic. So let's hear it.
In the office he sits, trying to work smart, but he's got no wits. He's got dreams of success, but they're all
Let's try the second one.
one lazy guy. In the office he sits, trying to work smart, but he's got no wits. He's got dreams of success, but they're all a blur.
If you want to download the song, just hit the 3 dot, download audio, and then it will just download to your computer. So Suno AI have two modes, custom mode and simple mode. We are now in simple mode. That's why all we have to do was type about the song at the description and just create. On top left, you will see custom mode toggle. We turn that on and you'll see more options are listed below. Here you can put your own lyrics, choose the style of music, and also give your own title. So let's go and create some lyrics at ChatGPT. So I'm asking ChatGPT to come up with a song about want to buy an Apple Vision Pro, but it is just too expensive. So we will copy the whole thing. Then we go back to Suno. At the lyric section, we paste it up. At the style of music, so I'm an old school, so heavy metal rock. Title is I'm Broke. Version 3, then we create. So let's hear it.
Walking down the streets, feeling kinda blue. Got my eyes on something shiny, something new. It's the Apple Vision Pro, the talk of the town. But when I check the price tag, nearly hit the ground. My heart skipped a beat, my wallet started to cry. Oh Apple, why you gotta be so high? I wanna buy an Apple Vision Pro, but it's just too expensive, don't you know? Gotta save up every dime, every cent to make that purchase. Gotta pay the rent.
Let's try the second one.
Walking down the street, feeling kinda blue. Got my eyes on something shiny, something new. It's the Apple Vision Pro, the talk of the town. But when I check the price tag, nearly hit the ground. My heart skipped a beat, my wallet started to cry. Oh Apple, why you gotta be so high? I wanna buy an Apple Vision Pro, but it's just too expensive, don't you know? Gotta save up every dime, every cent to make that purchase. Gotta pay the rent.
Wow, it's just beyond awesome. It's really cool. The second one really blows my mind. So Suno AI is quite easy to use and fun to play around with it. I'll show you one more useful method. If you need any background music for your video, just go to simple mode and at the song description, type happy song ukulele or funky motivation upbeat etc. After that, you on the instrumental, then you create. So let's hear the songs. Well, it turns out it's actually quite good. So if you use this method, you don't have to worry about background music again. I hope you enjoyed this video and now know how to create music. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will post more videos on how to use AI efficiently. Also, please check out my previous video and I will see you all again. Bye.